In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Xero email templates. Customizing the emails that go out with your invoices, quotes, receipts, and remittance advice makes your brand feel consistent and gives your customers the right information at the right time. Once you're in your Xero dashboard, start by clicking your name at the top of the screen. This opens a quick menu where you manage your account and organization preferences. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Xero keeps most of the controls that shape how your organization communicates. Inside Settings, choose Email Settings. Think of this area as the home base for your outgoing message defaults and the templates tied to different documents. Next, open the Templates section. Here you'll see categories you can customize. You can choose from sales invoice, purchase order, quote, receipt, or remittance, depending on what you want to adjust first. Select the option you plan to update. For this walkthrough, pick Sales Invoice. You'll land on the editor where you can change the subject line and the message body. Keep your subject clear and useful. Something like invoice, invoice number from organization name. Works well because it tells recipients exactly what the email contains. In the message body, aim for a friendly, professional tone. Start with a brief thank you, reference the invoice, and make the next step obvious. Viewing or paying the invoice. Use placeholders so Xero fills in details automatically. Common ones include the contact's name, the invoice number, the amount due, and the due date. Look for an insert or placeholder option near the editor so you don't have to type these values manually. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and include a clear sentence that points to the invoice or payment link if you use online payments. If you need to add standard terms or bank details, include a concise line so important actions don't get buried. When you're happy with your wording, click Save. Be sure to save before navigating away so your changes are stored and ready to use. That's the full flow. Open your profile menu, go to Settings, choose Email Settings, head into Templates, select the document type, edit the message, and save. You can repeat the same process for other categories like quotes, receipts, purchase orders, or remittance advice, tailoring the language for each. With your templates updated, the next time you send a sales invoice from Xero, your email will automatically reflect your customized subject and message, saving you time and creating a clearer, more consistent experience for your customers.